1. Intro. Welcome to Pixel and Pi. Today we're diving into the world of programming, and more specifically, one of the most popular languages in the world, Python. 2. What is programming? Programming is the process of giving instructions to a computer. These instructions are written in a language the computer understands. With programming, we can create software, websites, apps, and even games. In simple words, programming is problem-solving using logic and code. 3. Programming languages. There are many programming languages like C, C++, Java, C#, Node.js, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But in this video, we are focusing on Python, a language loved by both beginners and professionals. 4. What we will learn. Here, what we'll cover in this video. Number 1. What is Python? Number 2. Why should we use Python? Number 3. Python versus other programming languages. Number 4. What we can do with Python. And finally, number 5. A quick conclusion. 5. What is Python? Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is simple, powerful, and beginner-friendly. You can use Python to build websites, mobile apps, artificial intelligence systems, data science projects, games, and even robots. Its clean and easy-to-read syntax makes learning programming fun. 6. Why Python? So why should you choose Python? Python is easy to read and learn. It is extremely versatile, from web development to data analysis. It comes with a huge collection of libraries. It works on almost every operating system. And it is supported by a large global community. 7. Python versus other languages. Compared to other programming languages, Python has some unique strengths. Its syntax is simple and readable, almost like English. It allows rapid development with less code. It offers a vast ecosystem of libraries for data science, web development, and more. It is versatile and widely supported by developers around the world. 8. What can we do with Python? Python opens the door to endless opportunities. It can be used in web development, data science and artificial intelligence, automation and scripting, general software development, web scraping, and even game development. No matter your interest, there's a place for Python. 9. Conclusion. In conclusion, Python is a powerful and user-friendly language. It balances readability with versatility. While it may not be the fastest compared to compiled languages like C++, its productivity and wide range of uses make it the go-to choice for developers worldwide. 10. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pixel and Pi for more programming and tech content. See you in the next video.